made this cake no less than a dozen times already this year because my family loves it, and I think your family will too. It's super easy. The only catch with it is that you need to soak the rhubarb ahead of time. Earlier today, I combined a cup of frozen rhubarb, you can also use fresh, with a half a cup of sugar, and I let it sit. It takes about 2 hours. Once it sits, it will produce a syrup, so a rhubarb syrup, if you will. We're gonna drain that off and set it aside. So we have the rhubarb in one bowl and the syrup in another bowl. And then we're gonna get started in the bowl of our stand mixer with either butter or oil and the remainder of the sugar. Once the oil and sugar have combined in the mixer, we're going to add in our 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then we're gonna mix that to combine it completely. Okay, once that's all blended, we're gonna scrape down the sides and make sure everything is combined completely. And then we're gonna mix together flour and baking powder in one bowl, and we're gonna alternate adding it with our rhubarb syrup. So I'm gonna add about half of the flour mixture first and combine that. And then I'll add all of the rhubarb syrup and then the other half of the flour. All right, once that's all mixed together, we're gonna pull the bowl off of the stand mixer and blend in the rhubarb. All right, once we stir the rhubarb in, we're gonna pour this into our prepared pan. I usually use a 9-inch cake pan, and I like it to be lined with parchment because otherwise you never know if it's gonna stick or not, and if there's parchment, it won't stick. I realize there's already plenty of sugar in this cake, but I'm still gonna take about a tablespoon of a little crunchy sugar, like a turbinado, and sprinkle it over the top. You don't have to. Then I'm gonna bake it for about 35 to 40 minutes in a 350-degree oven until the top is brown. This cake reminds me of something you might get in Sweden or Copenhagen or one of those Scandinavian countries where the sweets are fabulous, but they're never that sweet. This is one of those. I love it, my family loves it, I think you'll love it too. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. See you soon.